Hello and welcome to our journey into the captivating world of animal celebrations. Today we will explore behaviors in nature that appear as if they were ceremonial rituals, displaying joy, bonding, and even cultural expressions in the animal kingdom. In this video, we will discover how these behaviors are not only a means of survival but also moments of celebration and wonder. Throughout our journey, we will discuss fascinating examples from birds to mammals, from insects to aquatic life. We'll dive into scientific explanations, explore the social dynamics behind these behaviors, and compare them to our own human celebrations. By the end of this video, you will have a richer understanding of how animals express emotion, form social bonds, and create moments that resemble festive rituals. Thank you for joining us. Let's begin our exploration into the celebrations in the animal world. What does celebration mean for animals? While we often think of celebrations as human events filled with music, food, and dance, in the animal kingdom, celebrations are expressed through physical displays, vocalizations, dances, and synchronized movements. These acts are sometimes observed during mating, after a successful hunt, or even as part of daily social interactions. In this section, we will define what we mean by celebration in nature and look at a few species that have developed unique ritualistic behaviors. We will ask, how do these behaviors help animals build community, reduce stress, or even strengthen alliances? Celebratory behaviors in birds. Birds are among the most celebrated for their vibrant displays. Many species engage in intricate mating dances, often viewed as celebrations of life. For instance, the elaborate courtship dance of the bird of paradise involves acrobatic flights, plumage displays, and even coordinated movements among groups. These dances serve multiple purposes. They help in attracting mates, asserting dominance, and reinforcing social bonds. As we watch these birds perform, we see not only the beauty of nature but also a complex communication system that conveys joy and unity. Mammals and their ritualistic celebrations. Mammals also exhibit behaviors that can be seen as celebrations. Consider the playful interactions of dolphins or the exuberant displays of elephants. When elephants gather for a waterhole, their trumpeting and coordinated movements resemble a festive ritual, a celebration of life, community, and shared survival. Other mammals, like primates, often engage in grooming sessions that go beyond hygiene. These sessions are social rituals that reinforce trust and cooperation within a group. Even when predators are not on the prowl, these behaviors serve as a way to connect, relieve stress, and celebrate group unity. Insect rituals and communal celebrations. Insects may seem unlikely candidates for celebration, yet many species display remarkable behaviors that resemble ritualistic ceremonies. Honeybees, for example, perform the waggle dance to communicate the location of food sources to their hive mates. Although driven by necessity, the dance carries an air of festivity, a collective celebration of discovery and community work. Similarly, fireflies synchronize their flashes, creating a stunning natural light show that is both mesmerizing and a signal of communal harmony. Such displays remind us that even the smallest creatures have developed complex ways to celebrate their achievements and share joy. Scientific explanations behind ritualistic behaviors. What drives these behaviors in animals? Scientists have long studied the role of hormones, brain chemistry, and environmental factors in shaping what we perceive as celebratory behavior. Oxytocin, often called the bonding hormone, plays a significant role in social animals. Its release during social interactions can lead to feelings of joy, trust, and togetherness. Additionally, many of these behaviors have evolved through natural selection as adaptive mechanisms. They help reduce tension after conflicts, facilitate mating by showcasing fitness, and even encourage cooperative behavior among members of a group. These natural celebrations are integral to the survival and evolution of species. Case studies, specific species and their celebrations. Let's examine some specific examples in greater detail. Bird of paradise. These birds are renowned for their flamboyant courtship displays. Males perform elaborate dances, displaying vibrant plumage and executing acrobatic feats to win the favor of potential mates. Elephants. Beyond their majestic presence, elephants have been observed engaging in playful water splashing and vocal trumpeting, especially during social gatherings. Such behavior reinforces family bonds and exhibits a clear sign of joy. Dolphins. Dolphins are known for their playful leaps, synchronized swimming, and sometimes even gentle nudges, a form of celebration following successful hunts or as a means of reinforcing group cohesion. Fireflies. In the darkness of tropical nights, thousands of fireflies light up the forest in a synchronized dance of bioluminescence. Their collective flashing is not only a mating signal but also a celebration of life in a communal display. Each case provides unique insights into how different species use celebration to communicate, bond, and thrive. The role of environment and social structure. Environmental factors and social structures play a pivotal role in shaping these celebrations. In habitats where resources are abundant, animals may engage in more exuberant displays. Conversely, in harsh conditions, even small acts of celebration can provide hope and reinforce social bonds. The social structure of a species, whether they live in large, cooperative groups or lead solitary lives, determines the form and frequency of their celebratory behaviors. We will explore how seasonal changes, migration patterns, and habitat conditions all contribute to when and how these behaviors are exhibited. Comparisons with human celebrations. It is fascinating to compare animal celebrations with our own human traditions. Although the motivations may be similar, joy, unity, and the marking of important events, the methods differ significantly. Animals rely on instinct, genetic programming, and environmental triggers, while humans add layers of symbolism, culture, and conscious creativity. This section invites us to reflect on what it means to celebrate. How do our rituals compare to the spontaneous and instinctual celebrations found in nature? The parallels remind us that the desire to connect, to share joy, and to mark the passage of time is a universal aspect of life. The cultural impact of animal celebrations. Animal celebrations have inspired countless myths, legends, and artistic expressions throughout human history. From ancient cave paintings to modern documentaries, the rituals of the animal kingdom continue to captivate our imagination. They have been interpreted as signs of fertility, as omens of change, and as metaphors for the cycle of life. Artists, writers, and scientists alike draw inspiration from these natural ceremonies. The sight of a flock of birds dancing in the sky or a pod of whales celebrating in the ocean can stir deep emotions and remind us of our connection to the natural world. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing animal stories.